Thank you to Meta for gifting me the Meta Quest 3S. Okay, so I was actually asking myself, wait, that Christmas decorations in this game? No, I was asking myself the other day, what is a very good game that I enjoy a lot in VR that is a stationary game? For those of you guys that don't know, stationary refers to being able to be seated. Okay, so that's enabled seated mode by default for me. So that is very good actually. So seated mode means that we can do stationary, last run was not finished, let's hit dismiss and start a new run. I believe this is taking data from the Meta Quest 3 data. So that's not bad actually. Yeah. Let's continue with this. We are going to go with recruit mode again. We're gonna go with that. And I'll be honest, I've only played this game seated once or twice, but I do like that this is an option. Oh yeah, I guess I gotta remember how to do this. I guess we would. We're gonna put that there because I want to start with this here. Wait. The weapon. What do we want to start with weapon wise? Let's go ahead and put this here straightforward. Okay. And then gun part. Okay. Okay, there we got that. Oh, I didn't even remember that. No. Ooh. Okay, wait, is there another enemy? No, we got them all. Okay. We want to grenade launcher? We do want a grenade launcher, but do we want to on the same thing? No, we don't. We will put a grenade launcher here for now. So that way we can just hit both. Yeah. And then we will go after a gun part. No, we want more scrap. Yeah. We want all the scrap. Oops. Oh, Feel like I'm missing every possible thing I can. Oh, this is a lot harder to dodge than you'd think. Oh, that, yeah. I'll take that. But here, as you can see, it's still challenging even while it's sitting down. And I don't know, I really appreciate it. Because sometimes you either, that, he scared me so much. Wait, did he have a present on him? Maybe that grenade launch? Oh, he scared me so much you'll have no idea. And why did the dog jump scare now? Is that like their Christmas gift to me or something? Because I don't want it. I've never had the dogs jump scare me so much in my life. So can I mention how useless these grenade launchers are? Okay. What is this? This is a power cap. This is a shield. This is a not shield. Okay, let's go with power cap. Wait. That looks weird. That looks weird still, but eh. Oh man, we only have 3 health. We are definitely going to lose, guys. Oh, that mini laser hit us so much. Is it over? No, it's not over. Who taught that dog how to dodge? I sure didn't. We are going to the shop. Okay. Can we get rid of this laser? Because can we get rid of this? It's like useless. Of course. We have always sucked at throwing. Really? We were just off by a little bit. I forgot how. Let's see, I'm supposed to have. Okay, good. It counts for. Okay. Wait, how much gold do we have? Oh, we have 10. Okay. Okay, so we can buy something. I don't even know what this is, but we'll buy it. Cap? I don't know what this. What do you do, Cap? Okay, sure. Wait, what did this cap do? Duration of timed. Oh, increases timed power ups. Okay. I guess we'll take this. Okay, I think that might be as useless as. Okay, well, we are going to continue with the gun parts. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, that's. Okay. Okay. Well. Okay. Pick a reward. Okay, that is candy cap. It looks like a candy corn, honestly. And there's a connect thing, and then there's a thing. This is a valve cap. I'll take the candy corn. Gotta love a good candy corn. I'm gonna pay here. Yeah, I'll get that candy corn. We just went to a shop. How many shops do I have us go to? We still can't afford anything? Don't even know why. Or maybe it's like, oh, you said that thing was useless. Are you sure? It's just taunting me now. Okay, we only have 2 life. We're probably going to end up losing, but honestly, I just wanted to show you guys that this is still 100% playable and fun, even, you know, while stationary. Well, because I feel like these days a lot of VR games, you know, either aren't stationary or it feels like, oh, they're not as fun stationary. I don't know. Don't ask me. Don't ask me what made me decide to do this concept thing, but I thought it would be interesting. Also, I didn't know there were Christmas decorations in this game for the holidays. So, happy holidays. Wait, can we pick up the candy canes? Because that would, like, just be amazing. Oh, we can't pick up candy canes. Can we pick up presents? We can't pick up presents. That snowman is looking at me weird. All of them are. It's like they all want to attack. Okay. Okay. But this is a snowman, right? No wonder why they're looking at me weird. Because I just keep doing stuff like that. Okay. Well, I think that's a good time to end this. Snowman Head, what do you think? Good time to end? Yeah, good time to end. Okay, well, let me know what you guys think of this game. There'll be a link to the Meta Quest version in the description below, of course, because I am playing this on the Meta Quest 3S. And thank you, Meta, for sending me a Meta Quest 3S, because honestly, I wouldn't have even thought about doing this video about stationary type games without this. And if you guys would like to, for me to go through and give some other games that could be fun or that I know are fun stationary, definitely let me know. Comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.